Yes. So that's what happened last week.
Nacisnął gaz na przykład.
Tak, no to od razu.
Ja pierdolę.
You okay?
No.
Fuck.
Daj spokój.
Fuck. I was considering breaking car for parts to get some portion of the money I invested into it back, but eventually I decided to save the car. My friend Jack said it's absolutely savable. He's gonna weld a new tubular front end for me. I have ordered new parts, new radiator, new fans, destroy all the arms that I always wanted to actually buy, but now I have legitimate reason for, because I bent the near side arm and I bent the drop link. I cracked the wheel unfortunately, but yeah, it could have been way worse. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna rebuild the whole car, respray it because it's like 50 shades of white, and bend it in places because it's been crashed before like 3 times now. This is the 4th time I think it's happening, so I'm gonna try to make the car nice again and give it another life.
Go around and I'ma get a girl on the side. I don't really do the shit I say sometimes. Please stop, I don't wanna talk. Life is only about getting what I want. Half the shit is just reflecting on my ops. Got a little bit and now I want a lot. If you fuck with 27, you a gram like. You can only say I'm social.
So now you can see the full extent of the damage. This lower chassis leg is completely bent. You can see the radiator, it's bent as well. I actually made it to Telford this weekend back. You can see the radiator fans as well, they both broke.
NANI?
Hello!
Hello!
Any of this.
Why don't I float in that gutter? Ask how long till I'm the 9th wonder. Takes your judge down and leave I trip the bitch and I still won't break.
That is why you gotta be tongued, innit?
Like lifted and twisted this way, bent in here, lift it up.